Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make refreshing drinks. First, choose your favorite fresh fruits and herbs to build a flavor profile. Next, ensure you have the right tools, such as a sturdy pitcher, a muddler, and a citrus juicer. Then, we'll combine these elements carefully, balancing sweetness and tartness. Finally, I'll show you how to serve your creation perfectly chilled for maximum enjoyment. To begin, select 2 or 3 types of fresh fruit that complement each other, perhaps some juicy berries or bright citrus. Don't forget aromatic herbs like fresh mint or basil to add a delightful fragrance. You'll also need to prepare a simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water, heated until dissolved. Make sure your pitcher, glasses, and a muddler are clean and ready. Now, let's get mixing. Gently muddle your chosen soft fruits and herbs directly in the pitcher to release their essential oils and juices. Next, add about 1 cup of freshly squeezed juice for every serving you plan to make. Then, pour in your simple syrup, starting with 2 tablespoons, and adjust to your preferred sweetness. Finally, top everything with 4 cups of sparkling or still water. Before serving, give your drink a good stir to ensure all the wonderful flavors are perfectly blended. Fill your serving glasses generously with ice to keep your beverage refreshingly cold. For a beautiful presentation, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice, a sprig of mint, or a colorful edible flower. Serve your delicious homemade drink immediately and savor every sip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.